Hi guys, welcome to another session on JMeter. Today we will be seeing how to use the geolocation code API with JMeter. What is geolocation code API? Geolocation code API is for tracing certain addresses. So this is where you get the geolocation code API, Google geocoding, and this is the endpoint definition, and this is the request example. Now what you need to do is, in order to run any geolocation code API or any API in that matter, you have to take this response example, copy it. I have copied it in my notepad as it is. This is the one. This is my geolocation code example, and I could find this as the only working endpoint, so I picked this up. So here in the server, when you create the new test plan, you have to take this get request from HTTPS, not from HTTPS, from this Michelle till the com. You copy this, you put it in your server IP, and then for the path you take geocode JSON, which is what I have done over here, and in the parameters you take the address as this line over here, and you take the sensor as true. Address is nothing but the address that you need to trace, and sensor is the one that indicates whether we have to scan this for any other element or just for this element. So that's about it. And now the test plan is as here, it's given here. I have created one test plan. There is a thread group. Inside that thread group I have put number of threads as 1, ramp up period as 1, and loop count as 3, because we will be iterating through 3. I have a CSV dataset with me. In the HTTP request I have copy pasted the one that I showed you right now. So right from Michelle till com, it's in the right from Michelle till com, it's in the server. And please remember to put the protocol as HTTPS. The path has been mentioned as geocode /JSON, which I have explained you already how to pick the path. And the address, in the address, these are the two parameters that you see after the question mark. So these are the parameters that are indicated over here, address and sensor. In the address I have put a parameter which will be picked up from the CSV data config, and the sensor will be true. So going ahead, this is the HTTP header manager. Now in the geolocation API that I have extracted, there are two headers. One is the X mashup key and second one is the accept. So whatever is there in the X mashup key, you have to copy and create variables over here in the HTTP header manager as X mashup key, and copy paste everything. You don't need to change anything over there, just copy paste it from here. Copy paste the key as the X mashup key and the value as this one, and another entry would be the key would be accept and the value would be application/JSON. The next one is the CSV data config. This is the file with the addresses. Now and in that I have just put the address field, which will be there is no need for the delimiter as such, because we will be having only one field there. So let me show you the address file. The address file consists of these elements. It consists of the first element. As you know, addresses in the United States are split up. So 357 Brittany Farms Road, then I have New Britain as the city, and Connecticut, which is abbreviated by CT, as the state, and then is the country. So similarly here there is an additional zip code, and rest of the things are the same. So there are 3 entries over here, and this we will be looking this will be executing through JMeter. And just to let you know, for using Mashup, you need to sign up, and you have to select the free account for Mashup. We don't need to pay anything because this is a free account. You get 200 requests per day through this free account. Okay, now let's go back to our request, and it's time to run our request. So I have explained you everything. I have added a view results tree listener over here. This is my previous run. Let me erase it, and we are ready to run. So let's run it. Okay, it started executing, and the first request, second request, third request, everything got over. Let's have a look at the each of the requests. So we get JSON data here in the form of key value pairs, and it indicates the extracted data from the API. Similarly here and similarly here. So this is how you create a HTTP request with CSV data config for API that extract address information. So it's in short a geolocation API. Thank you.